This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter PowerBoost full hybrid engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely spray-in Bedliner. We do get the nice blacked out rims, gripped running boards on either side, with keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light, spotlight indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space up front, flat fold storage system with cup holders and storage, 12 volt rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, upgraded B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, gas cap, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 24,278 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We got my view, trip and fuel gauges off-road with towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage cup holders, and we do get a wireless charging pad and some outlets. We do get your storage below with drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our Pro Power onboard, as well as our 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go for different camera angles, park assist, which is your park aids, such as your chimes that you can turn on or off, hazards, traction, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Looking here, we do get our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation. We can search, reason, save, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, pretty nice. We got your vehicle settings, such as Pro Power onboard, vehicle maintenance, all that jazz. So this will be your fave apps that you can select as well. So I'm just going to select our Pro Power onboard, and it will show up down there. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8364, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.